So I couldn't help but make a little video about this drone. It's a really basic little drone. It's so light, it's 100 grams, and it takes a rechargeable lithium battery. The controller with 3 AA's in it is 200 grams, and it's got auto takeoff, and it's got headlights, and it's got blade protectors if you want to fly it around inside. Take them off if you don't. Just simply press the start button, up it goes into a relatively stable hover. There's trim buttons on the controller here to trim. I've got it in speed 2. I'll put it into, sorry, that's speed 3, that's speed 1. So speed 1 is just sort of for tootling around, although it's relatively quick. It can cover some ground, like so. And then with the headlights on the front, headlamps, you've got visibility in the darker areas. We can land it with just one touch. It's got a camera on the bottom as well. I've got to say the camera isn't much cop, but it's fun to connect your phone up to it. You've got so that's auto takeoff. What's that one there? Is this auto land or return to home? Oh, I suppose the GPS wouldn't work because we're inside. Anyway, we'll scrub that. So let's say speed 2 covers a bit of ground pretty quickly. Bounce and turns quite nicely. It's like a little whoop drone. For not a lot of money, and I think the battery's just about to fail. I have been flying it around a bit, and I'll put it on speed 3 just for a laugh. Pretty quick turning speed, a bit too quick really for inside. But so light, you could probably crash it into a wall and it's just going to ping off. It's not going to be any issue. Turns round quickly. Yeah, all right. I like that. It's not too loud neither. It's brushless motors, but the gear train's not screaming away really loud. It's all pretty good. I'll put it back into rate 1 so that we can just see the hover. So does the auto land button do anything? No, I bet it does outside though. But landing inside does. Cuts out when it hits the floor. Oh yeah, pretty good. Nice and controllable. Hey, like that.